Hello and welcome back to the Joyful Soul Creates. Charlotte here, and today I'm unboxing the Love From Lizi April card kit, which is the Bon Voyage card kit. If you're wondering why I have this kit a bit earlier than normal this month, it's because I have been invited to guest design, so I got my kit earlier than I normally would with my subscription. This kit is still available if you'd like to get your hands on it, and I'll have a link to that down below. This, as the name implies, is a travel themed kit. And as usual, we have a large bag and a smaller embellishment bag, and first I'm showing you what comes in the large bag, which this month is a 12x12 bag. Firstly, there are 3 12x12 pattern paper sheets. Each of these sheets has cut parts on one side and then just a pattern of some sort on the other side. There's one sheet of cut parts that are 3x3 inches, one that's 4x3 inches, and then one that has 2-inch square cut parts, so lots to choose from. And then there's also another 12x12 sheet which has stickers on it. So there are all sorts of balloons, and there's a globe, there's tickets, different sentiment stickers, and these are relatively thick and heavyweight stickers, so nice and sturdy for your projects. Then we have the letter-sized papers, which are perfect for making card bases. There's 5 different colours. We have a peach, a kind of aqua colour. There's a white, which is alcohol marker friendly. There's also a kind of ivory cream colour, and then finally a soft grey. There are 2 other letter-sized sheets as well, which are specialty papers. And this time we have satin mirror papers in gold and also silver. So the mirror cardstock that has a more matte finish than normal mirror card. We also have some more patterned papers. These ones are 6x8 inches. Often Lizi includes 6x6 papers, but this time she went with the slightly larger 6x8. And again, these are double-sided. There are lots of like balloons and tickets, maps, that kind of thing, and aeroplanes, all kinds of things for the travel theme. And then on the backs of a lot of them you have more general pattern papers like diagonal stripes or polka dots, and some of the patterns do match the patterns that were on the back of those 12x12 papers, just scaled down. There are a few images that are kind of the full pattern paper size and would be really pretty just as they are, although they are of course bigger than a standard size card, but you could make a larger card or use them for scrapbooking. And then also there are 2 sheets that have cut parts again, 4 cut parts on each of the sheets, and these could be used in the same way as the cut parts on the 12x12 sheets. They can make very quick and easy ready-made focal points for your card. Also in this 12x12 bag we have the peel-offs, and this time they are clear iridescent mint peel-offs. In previous kits there have been clear iridescent pink and just clear iridescent. And then we also have the stamp set, which again has the travel theme. There's a kind of little map with islands and waves and a little boat, and several sentiments that can fit inside the island if you want. Moving on to the embellishment bag, we have some tags. There are 2 white tags and 1 large and 1 small craft tag. Then we have a sequin mix. This is the Bon Voyage sequin mix, which again has coppers and browns and peach and ivory tones to it. There are 2 kind of brass looking keys. These are proper solid metal keys, so they have a good weight to them. Then there's some twine. Lizi often includes ribbon in her kits, but this time it's just twines. There's 7 different colours in 2 different widths. So of the wider width there is ivory with gold, white with tan, white with silver and white with grey. And then in the narrow widths there's orange and white, brown and white, and then one that has dark blue, light blue and white. And there's a meter length of each of those. There are also some wooden embellishments in this month's kit, and there are 9 of these. There's a globe, a camera, a suitcase, a postage stamp, a compass, an aeroplane, an arrow, as well as a little location marker point. I'm not sure what you call that exactly. And a hot air balloon. We have some brads this month. There are 30 brads, so quite a lot to use. plenty for the projects, and these come in 6 different colours. There's mint green, darker kind of stone grey or brown, pale grey, peach, pale blue and tan, and you get 5 of each of those colours. 5 each of 6 colours for a total of 30 brads. As well as those, we have another kind of fastener. We have these adorable little pegs, and there are 6 wooden pegs and they do work, and you could use those for clipping things or going on the edge of your tag, for example. The real selling point for me of this kit is the dies. There's a wonderful selection of dies this month. There are 5 dies and they're all kind of intricate, swirly design to them. So there's a car, a scooter, a boat, which is like a sailing yacht, an aeroplane and a cloud, and they look really good cut from the mirror cardstock, for example. And the last thing in the kit are some Nuvo drops in bottle green, or it looks more like a moss green to me, but it's called bottle green. And I like to swatch my Nuvo drops as soon as I open them onto the lid, because that way I know exactly what colour they will be. And these are crystal drops, so they advise 24 hours to dry. Also with my kit I got some embossing powders, which I was lucky enough to win the February Love From Lizi challenge, so I used my winnings from that to buy these embossing powders. I got Emerald City, which is a nice green. I also got Baby Blue Party, which is kind of a glittery blue embossing powder with larger glitter pieces in it. And I have swatched each of these onto the bottom so that you can see. I also got Powder Pink Party, which is the same as the Baby Blue one, but in pink, so it has the fine glitter and the larger glitter. Then I got the Tutu Pink embossing powder, which is again a pink glitter, but this one doesn't have the large pieces in it. And finally I got Rainbow Wishes embossing powder, which has a kind of iridescent glitter through it. It's very pretty and shiny. So that is the Love From Lizi April card kit. As of doing this voiceover, it is still available, and I will have links down below if you'd like to buy it. If you have enjoyed this video, please do press the thumbs up button, leave a comment down below and let me know what your favourite part of the kit is. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, so that you will know when I put up my 10 cards 1 kit video, so that you don't miss it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again in the next video. Bye!